So you are a student of biology and you want to pursue higher education in medicine and surgery simply because there are a lot of reasons for it. But all you know about it is a word NEET, the exam through which you can get yourself into an Indian medical college. You go to internet and search relentlessly about it. But all you find are videos telling you how one coaching is better than the other. Previous year toppers remodeling their story to advertise for a specific institute. A lot of sponsored content by the online coachings and some popular toppers just making clickbaits for promoting their own agendas. That just does not meet your demands. You wonder when you have to prepare from the same books and the syllabus that you prepared for the boards. Then why you have to go to a coaching institute? Can you crack a good rank without a coaching? If you have any of these questions in your mind, this video is just for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you how NEET preparation works and what all steps you can take so that you don't have to regret later. I am Virendra Singh, All India rank 349 of NEET 2019. I did my 11th from a very general scenario school, 12th and a drop year from a coaching, and took a month of online lectures in between, which makes me experienced in all the possible options there are for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first prerequisite of a good scholar is common sense. Looks easy, but not so much actually. Let me explain. This industry has a lot of money and fame in it. So there are a lot of people misleading you. Some may be unintentionally, but most of them for their own motives. So whenever you listen to someone from now on, make sure you take it with a little criticism. For example, if some topper who has achieved his rank through a prestigious classroom coaching advertises for an online coaching, or after 2 years or 3 years of coaching, if someone clickbaits you saying he can increase your 100 or 200 marks within weeks, you should know that you are being made a fool. Cracking NEET isn't hard, but not as easy as joining a Telegram channel or downloading some rubbish app. Nobody, not even a single person in med school around me, did that. And most of this misinformation is due to very ugly marketing stunts by few companies who have nothing legitimate to offer you. So they distract you from the things that actually matter. Clearing this prerequisite, let's move to the main preparation. Everything that you need to clear NEET can be divided into three categories. The first one, guidance and motivation, in which mentors teach you how to prepare for particular subjects and topics, how to manage time between subjects, analyze what mistakes you are doing, and how to prevent them. Now, here you should understand that this part is totally personalized, and guidance that someone may need may vary from person to person, depending on various factors. Now, good guidance comes from quality experience in the field. You need mentors who have produced good results in the past consistently, not just someone who claims to do so. Your life will be so much easier if you do this step right. Syllabus learning. This is the actual teaching and learning process of the subjects. Their continuous revision, which consists of lectures, doubt sessions, you reading the books, and your study routine. And frankly, sometimes the lectures parts become overrated, especially by online coachings, because they have nothing much to advertise about. Like every other online coaching advertises the same line that they have India's best faculty. Look at the standards of NEET examination. It's not like making a time machine that you need the best people in the world. You just need people who are consistent and devoted to you. NEET's easy. If you don't believe me, ask someone who has cleared it recently and they'll tell you that their preparation was way ahead of what actually came in the examination. Third one, competitive environment. This is the part which everyone just forgets. And I just cannot stress how important this is. For instance, go through the classroom result of any prestigious coaching. You will not see isolated ranks, meaning there will be clusters of students scoring almost in the same range. It won't be a general case scenario that there's someone with all India rank less than 100 and then the next rank is just in thousands, because that one guy or that group of toppers sets the standard of competition for the whole batch of students competing with them. And that standard of competition shows you that where you stand and how much more efforts you have to put in if you wish to put in. Students lacking in such competitive environment generally presents a problem that how much do they actually need to study to crack a good rank. But this problem can only be solved if you put yourself in the right competition, both in the classroom and in tests. so that you know when someone is performing better than you, how his actions are different from yours. Putting it simply, if you want to learn how to swim, you'll have to get in the water. If you want to crack any competition, you'll have to get a taste of that competition. And the actual competition standards are set by the people inside that competition. And with all of this explained, let's talk about various sources from where you can get all these three things. Which brings us to the term coaching. To me, coaching is an educational institute which provides you all the three things in one place. I and 99.99% of the toppers that you'll ever see have achieved their success through a classroom coaching. Yes, even those who advertised online coachings or even teach on online platforms, but they all owe their success to some or the other institute. Now, you would say that you've heard of some person who has achieved their rank all on their own. Is that even possible? Both yes and no. Before you get excited about cracking NEET at the ease of your home, let me tell you that there are such schools too which specializes in competitive examinations. So these schools integrate all the three things mentioned above with schooling itself, eliminating the boundaries between schools and coachings. I believe that this is the future of competitive examinations, but however, as of now, they are very limited in number. Toppers from these institutes claim to be very different from those who went to dedicated coachings. As they say, and I quote, they are self-made. They crack the exam without any coaching. Bro, there are 3 people in top 100 from your school. About 50 people cracking NEET from a single classroom. वो कोचिंग से अलग नहीं है. एक जनरल स्कूल के बच्चे को नीट की फुल फॉर्म नहीं पता होती. But whatsoever, now you know the reality and the most expected route of success. Now the point that makes this video so important in this time. As of now, all classrooms are shut down and every coaching is operating online, whether live or pre-recorded lectures, and the more experienced ones now have to compete with some of the very premature ones in the marketing wars. And the way some of them are advertising themselves is very misleading. So what should you be looking in an institute to select one? First and foremost, their result. It should be good, consistent, and genuine. Try to find out their selection ratio. What proportion of the total students are getting selected and with what marks for particular campus. Because it may vary for different campuses when you consider a multi-campus coaching. It is a total waste of time to even consider a coaching without their past result. As mentioned earlier, the guidance part needs experience. Looking for anything less than 10 years of classroom established experience is not a very good idea, because it is this experience which will later translate into your result. And lastly, if a coaching has these two things, it will also be popular. That means you'll get a quality competition. But hold on. The popular digital only coachings or websites neither have results nor experience. Are they good for anything? Should you take their subscription and expect a very good rank in NEET? Here comes my online coaching story. As I told, I did my +1 from a convent school and I wasn't very serious about my studies back then. Dude, एंड तक मुझे बेसिक नॉमेनक्लेचर भी नहीं आता था. सो कोचिंग आके 12th तो अच्छी कर ली, पर स्टिल 11th काफ़ी रह गई थी. सो टू कवर दैट आई जॉइंड अ डिजिटल कोचिंग. I already had guidance from an institute. I'm already in a competition. I just wanted education और वो भी मेरी conditions पे. मैं सिर्फ important topics के lecture देखूंगा, बाकी NCERT से पढ़ूंगा, कुछ lectures को double speed पे देखूंगा. And honestly speaking, that 1 month taught me quite a lot on time management and gave me a very good base of some topics. But that's it. Nothing more than that. That's the maximum someone should rely on an only digital coaching. उससे ज़्यादा and you'll find is disappointment. Honestly, I don't hate digital coachings. I just hate their marketing stunts. If you see that online coachings are good source of education, thumbs up, I agree. Easily accessible for all, thumbs up. But at the point when you say that you can crack NEET with just your online course, both thumbs down. Kyunki if so, then where's the result? You would see a lot of people advertising for them, promoting them, maybe even your favorite toppers. But ask yourself, what did that topper do when he was in your place? When he had to make a decision of where to invest their time and efforts. They chose a prestigious classroom. And what they are suggesting you to do, download some app, join a Telegram channel, get a website subscription that never produced a result. Height of hypocrisy. I don't say they are lying, but they are not telling the whole story. और जहाँ तक बात गाइडेंस की है ना, वो जो तुम्हें दे रहे हैं ना, उसका 10% होगा जो उन्हें उनके मेंटोर्स ने दिया था. और तुम वो सुन के भी खुश हो जाते हो. Take a personal piece of advice. If you want to be a topper, never listen to toppers. Listen to the people who made them toppers. I heard a very popular educator online on a platform saying that I teach lakhs of students every year for NEET and JEE. फिर तो आपके स्टूडेंट्स VMMC में भी होने चाहिए, एम्स में भी होने चाहिए, मैमसी में भी होने चाहिए, बट आई डोंट सी एनीबडी. डूड, जितनी तुम्हारी एज है ना, उतना मेरे मेंटर्स को टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस है नीट का. आई हैड टू कवर अ लॉट इन दिस सिंगल वीडियो टू गिव यू द पर्सपेक्टिव दैट यू नाउ हैव. So a lot of the topics were not covered in very great detail. If you want me to elaborate on those, let me know in the comments and I'll do that in the future videos ASAP. If you think this video was helpful, show some love to the channel, get me motivated by hitting that subscribe button and share this to the people who need to say it. This is Virendra Singh. Wish you all the best for your future. Take care till next time.